The National Lift Tower based in Northampton is an iconic feat of architecture. At a staggering 418 feet, it is now the largest abseil tower in the world. Originally built in the 1980s as a testing facility for lifts and other specialist equipment, we have taken steps to preserve the tower and have repurposed the shafts for a range of abseil activities. The height of the tower at 127 meters (418 feet) and its unique features have made it an important resource in the research and development industry. The National Lift Tower is home to 4 working lifts. An engineer's lift for everyday use that runs from the ground floor to floor 18. A high-speed lift which runs from the first floor to floor 17. A medium-speed lift from floor 12 to 15 and a training lift from floor 7 to 9. The tower also hosts various other test projects such as drop testing and sharp edge testing where safety devices such as descenders can be tested. We also have available a 40-meter wind turbine ladder with IBEX 1000 system and a limpet system which can be used for training wind turbine or other working at height technicians. Please enjoy these beautiful views of the surrounding urban scenery. Notably the Cinch Stadium at Franklin's Gardens, the home of Northampton Saints Rugby Club. The Sixfield Stadium, home to the Cobblers Football Club, can also be seen in the background.